Hello everyone, my name is Suhail and today I will show you a presentation on how to enable debug loggings for plugin servers. Basically there are two type of plugins. Number one is C plugin and number two is Java plugin. So first of all I'll show you how to enable loggings for C plugin. So for C plugin we need to go on the server information page, log files. We need to enable this plugin, and this is the log level set to. This is the finest, means all the logs are captured. So for the debug level, we always need the finest logs. Okay, I'll apply this, and that will enable the plugin logs, and this will be on the location AR plugin with the name arplugin.exe. So I'll just go to on my server and check on this location. Okay, so we can see this log arplugin.log, and this type of information is captured in the logs. Here we can see log level as finest. This indicates that we have the finest level logs, and in the logs we can see the plugin name, the C plugin name, ARF, ARF native signal sender. So this is the plugin name, and we can see what all information is captured for this logs. So this is the way how we can enable the plugin logs for the C plugin. And the same way we need to disable it. We can just click on this and apply. So this will disable the logs. Now we'll move on to the Java plugin logs. So the important plugin logs are Java plugin logs. So to enable the Java plugin logs, we first need to open a file called log4j, which is present in plugin svr folder, log4j.xml. I'll just edit this file. We open in edit mode. Once I open this in edit mode, for example with the editor called textpad, okay, and it is recommended that before making any changes just take a backup. So I'll just copy this and paste it here with the name as backup. So this is the backup. If anything goes wrong, we can just have the backup here. And now in this file what we need to do is we just need to change the value 1 to value as debug. So we have a find and replace option. So here value 1 will be replaced by a value debug. And I'll just replace all the things. Yeah, now this is in debug level. Okay, and I'll save this file. So this file, this changes will require a plugin restart. And how we can do this plugin restart? Okay, so just by killing the plugin process. Okay, so I'll just open the task manager. Okay, here I can see multiple processes. So I need to identify which is the Java plugin process running here. So for that, I need to go on view and select columns, which will help me identify the process ID, and the command line. Command line will help you to identify what is the Java process running for. Okay, so this is the command line, and here I'll just filter with Java. Okay, so I have multiple Java here, and the first Java is for the plugin SVR. How can I identify that? Is looking at plugin SVR server. Okay, so this is plugin SVR and plugin SVR. This indicates me, this plugin SVR indicates this is a Java plugin, and I'll just end this process, end process tree. And now going back going back to the DB folder on the installation directory. Yeah, so DB AR Java plugin logs. Okay, and when I'll open this AR Java plugin logs, I do see some errors, but what I'm interested to see is the debug level information in these logs. So I'll just scroll down because it will be updated at the end, and I can see this information as debug. So this debug log is for AR Java plugin, and we can find what is the plugin name. And here looking at the top, this is for plugin SVR. Yeah, so this is the initialization, and we can see every information, what is read, what is so we can see basically the debug information. So this is how we can debug the plugin logs. Similarly, if we want to stop the debug logs, we'll need to go back to the log4j file and change all the debug level back to 1. So the best way is just to replace the file. This file is found in plugin svr folder, log4j.xml, and I have a copy. So I'll just rename this log4j.xml as debug. So we'll not be able to make these changes because this file is already been used. Yeah, so by now just by clicking the process again, ending the process again from the task manager, we can make sure this take into effect. So again I'll go to the task manager. From there I'll filter for the Java in ascending order. I can see multiple Java here, and the plugin SVR, this one is the plugin SVR process. So I'll end this process, and this will again revert back the changes from the debug to normal logging. So this is how we can enable the debug logs for C plugin and Java plugin. Thank you for watching this video.